Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this natural everyday makeup look. First, you want to start off by filling in the brows. I'm using my Wet n Wild brow pencil in the color brown, and I'm using light stroke motions to fill in her brows so I do not get that harsh look with the brows. This brow pencil could come off harsh and heavy on the eyebrows, so that's why you want to use light stroke motion. Then I'm going to be using my Just Browsing spoolie from Clinique, and that's just going to comb through the brows while it's fill in any excess areas that miss. Then I'm using my concealer, and I'm just concealing the natural shape of her brow, just going along her bottom brow bone. I'm going in with the brow pencil again and just filling in any areas that was touched when applying the concealer. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. I'm just going back in and blending out that concealer. I'm not going in with the wipe, and I'm going to remove even the concealer from underneath her brows. I just wanted to create a more natural brow look. Next, on her face, I'm applying my Revlon PhotoReady Skinlights in the color 400 Bronze Light, and it's the face illuminator. And this is just going to give you a nice natural glow. For her foundation, I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the color Amber, and you just want to blend that all over. I love this foundation, by the way, you guys. Next, I'm using her concealer, and I'm going to be concealing her focal points I want highlighted. And I will have a list of all the products below. Blend all that out. With my contour palette, I'm going to use the yellow highlight shade, and I'm just going to bake her face on the parts that I've highlighted. I'm then going in with the same contour palette, and I'm taking that brown shade, and I'm going to just contour along her face. I'm using both the two darkest shades. And then I'm going back in with my yellow highlight powder, and I'm just going to define her cheekbones even more. Next, I'm going to brush off any of the excess powder. A trick that I love to use is dipping the tip of my brush in some of my foundation and then brushing it off on a paper towel, and then brushing off the product. It leaves a more seamless look. And next, I'm just recontouring her with my big fluffy brush just to bring back some definition and color to her skin. And I'm also doing a slight contour down the nose. You want to blend that out as well. For blush, I'm using Hard to Get by MAC, and I'm just going to put that all over her cheekbones. I love this brush as well. This blush is so beautiful on all skin tones. And then I'm going in with her all over face powder brush, and I'm just going to tone down that brush. I just want that blush, I said brush, for a more natural look. Next, I'm going in with my highlighter from Black Radiance, and I'm going to highlight all her focal points of her face, her cheekbones, her cupid's bow, down her bridge of her nose, her forehead. You can do the chin as well if you would like. I'm also going to give that brow bone a highlight just so it could have some type of, you know, pop, a little shine. Next, using your favorite mascara, you're going to want to comb out and accentuate the lashes. You can also apply falsies if you like. My camera died, but the only thing I did was apply a pink lip gloss that was the same color as her lip, and that was it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, my pixies. Mwah.